Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao. To touch. Based on your frame and your body structure, it might be a little tough walking in the middle. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to come to you with training Chum Kiu on the wooden dummy, part 2. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
So, again, you have to modify things because the dummy's not going to move. So we finished the Chum Kiu section with the third palm strike. So you know the movements to step over a chun and a lop. I do not have a lot of room in here, so the movement's going to just be slight. So from here, I'm just going to take a slight stutter step for the Chun Sao. So from here, Chun Sao. So I have to reset in here to get to that point. So when I finish with the 3 palm strikes, when I move in, I would reset from here. Stepping across Chun Sao, bringing my hand on top of the Lop Sao and the front kick. So I can move to the outside, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, and the last is a lop and a punch coming through the center. Another application for this here is, after the chun and the lop from here, is I can take the Bong Sao off the inside, Bong Sao, and then train it to the outside, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, to touch. Based on your frame and your body structure, it might be a little tough walking in the middle on this. So let's take it again one more time. From here, a little stutter step, Chun Sao, Lop Sao, front kick. Releasing, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao punch. The variation to it, Chun Sao, Lop Sao, front kick, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao, Bong Sao, Lop Sao punch. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.